Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. It is audible? Yeah. Today also demo class only. Just observe it. Anybody not attending yesterday class, don't worry. Just the demo class, small concepts I'm telling you. What I'm telling you what yesterday class means, concentrate here. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19C is a version number. What type of product is a Oracle means database product I'm telling you. What is the purpose of these type of database product means to store data, but what type of data permanently storing means structured collection of data. A structured data only it will be storing. Okay, fine. Yes. A organized manner, a table format only, a structured manner only data is storing. And also what I'm telling yesterday, permanent data. Okay, so now here, yes, if you want to operate this data in Oracle database, then we are using three languages. One is SQL is a language. Another one is SQL means structured query language. Another language is extension of the SQL, that is PL SQL, procedural language for SQL, procedure language concepts for SQL. Another one is dynamic SQL. Up to this one, yesterday we are telling only. Okay, yeah. Now today, observe it here. Very interesting. Now what type of jobs are available? Those all the things I will tell you. But before that one, some fellows are asking, Murali sir, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. I'm agree. This product operating means this database operating means storing the data, modifying the data, anything we are performing operation means SQL language is enough. But why we are learning about some other language only, PL SQL, extension of the SQL, PL SQL, some coding is there, same like a C, C++, but easy coding only. Why we are learning about that procedure language concepts in aware in this SQL, why we are learning a PL SQL? They're asking only, yes. Reason is there. And now here, check it out. What is the reason means? Concentrate here. So many applications are required a PLSQL and separate PLSQL developer jobs also available. Suppose, for example, you are a first time newcomer, slowly observe it here. You are also, I am also daily going to where bank only, for example. Now check it out. This is a bank is there. For example, bank database is there. Now slowly observe it here. Very interesting, easily understandable. In this bank only, for example, this is a SBI bank, any bank, okay, fine. In this bank only, my detail is there, account number, name of the account holder, and balance is there. For example, this is a data only. Here, account number, my account number is 1001. For example, my name is Murali, okay. I'm an account holder in a one bank. In that bank, my balance, presently, my balance is how much? 3000 rupees, for example. Observe here, 1001. My account number is 1001, for example. Okay, example side. Now my details are available in a where? One bank only. Okay, for example. Now check it out, slowly observe it here. Suppose today I'm interested to withdraw some amount from the bank. I'm going to withdraw some amount from the bank. I'm going to where? In a ATM center, for example, in a ATM machine. For example, this is a what? SBI ATM. Okay, anything. Okay, in a bank, for example. One bank account only there. I have only one account is there, for example. Now my balance is how much presently? 3000. Now I try to decide to withdraw some amount from the bank, for example. Now slowly observe it here. Here, very easy understandable. Why PLSQL required means now you are understandable. Suppose here, now today, I try to, okay, so withdraw some amount. Okay, fine. Suppose, for example, I'm going to where bank, I'm inserting a what ATM card and okay, so now enter PIN number, it will be asking, I'm typing a what some PIN number. Now after that one, so many options are there. One of these stays, enter amount, it will be asking, ATM machine asking a what, enter amount. Now I try to type a what here, observe here, my balance is how much? 3,000, but now I try to withdraw what? 9,000 rupees, for example. Now I'm typing a what? 9,000 rupees only. Now I try to withdraw 9,000 rupees possible? No, not possible. Why? Because my balance is 3,000 rupees in a bank only, but how I am withdrawing a what? 9,000 rupees? Impossible. In this case, whenever I'm typing a what? 9,000 rupees, now here, yes, it will give us a message. What is the message? Yes, very good. Insufficient funds. Some fellows are telling correct. Insufficient funds, some message, it will be displayed or not? Yes, here. Why? Because my balance is 3,000, how I'm withdrawing a what? 9,000 only. But how is ATM machine knows a what? Here insufficient funds is a message, means ATM machine doesn't know anything. Here same like you, some programmers writing a what? A PL SQL coding, who are developing a what? This project. Yes, banking project means, suppose Oracle means, those persons are writing a what? Not a SQL coding, PL SQL coding, coding they are writing only. How means, I will tell you, observe here. Now they are writing a coding. If user entered amount is more than the were available balance, then this is a message I want to display. They are writing only technical coding. Then only automatically it will be displayed a what? This message. That code is executed, PL SQL code is executed. Suppose here now not a 9,000 rupees. For example, now I'm entering a what? ATM machine. Okay, it's an ATM card. I'm inserting ATM card. Now I try to withdraw a what? Here 1,000 rupees, for example. Now whenever I try to withdraw a what? 1,000 rupees means not a problem, working. Now and also 1,000 rupees withdrawing from the bank means here 3,000 rupees are there. Yes, user entered amount is less than the where available balance. That's why there is no problem. Yes, remaining balance how much? Here 2,000 rupees automatically updated. And also yes, here it will display the what message. Your transaction is successful after receiving a message. So receiving amount only. Transaction successful. Okay, so it will display the what message or not? Maybe anybody observing or not? Now, how it is possible? Just here, some fellows are writing about PL SQL coding, who are developing about this project in a where, in a banking project, a database project in a Oracle side. Those persons are writing a coding. This is 3,000 will be subtracted from so 3,000. So now will be updated into where 2,000. Why? Because subtracting about 1,000, that coding they're writing update statement. So now here update statement, it is affected only. But how it is possible means they are writing about some coding only. For example, how they are writing about that coding means, I will tell you. Don't write it only. Why? Because that PL SQL means procedural language extension for SQL. Just logically observe it is coding. You don't have an idea. Just my interest purpose, I am writing about at least half of the coding. Okay, at least something only. Actually, so now here stored procedures is a concept is there in a where in a PL SQL side. They're writing a withdraw. Okay, so now here, yes, deposit amount like this only procedures. Don't write it. Create or don't write it. Here, this is a PL SQL code only, just a observation purpose. This is a procedure, something they're writing. Withdraw or anything in a name. Okay, like this only. Here, ATM card we are inserting. No, yes, in that one scanning what your account number. Okay, something is there that is later you are also familiar. Today you don't have an idea. This one also just logical observe it here. User entered amount also I'm checking. And now here roughly idea purpose. Okay, something is there that procedure. Now in your bank only available balance we are checking. Okay, fine. Here in a feature you are also writing this coding very easy. But today means you don't have an idea. Also later we are familiar. Now in a bank database table, how much balance is there in your account? They are checking. They're writing a coding. Select a balance into something is there. Now here In this variable, they are retrieving from bank is a table. Now, where your account number, no, you are inserting ATM code, yeah. Where account number, logical observed here is equal to P underscore account number like this. Now they're testing like this. If same like a Java, C++, if condition is there, no, then user entered amount with the purpose I am writing is a less than available balance, there is no problem. So now here why? Because 3000 minus 1000 like this means there is no problem. Yeah. Then that okay, so now here a balance is updating. Updating means modifying only. Update bank. Here some update statement, delete statement, those all the things. SQL side also you are familiar. Set balance is equal to balance minus P underscore amount like this. Now where account number is equal to ATM code AP underscore account number. Now here transaction successful is a message I want. Now here some system underscore DBMS underscore system.out.println is there in Java, same like here. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Here transaction successful. Don't afraid this one, just logical observe here. Or maybe PL SQL is required in a project side. Transaction successful. Not only transaction successful is a message, but also that is saved in a database, that is commit we are using in a real time, this commit and all these things you have an idea. In our course also you are familiar. Okay, SQL side also you are familiar some comments. Otherwise, insufficient funds, no? Here, else I am writing. Same like a CG++, if else something is there, DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line something is there. Here, now slowly observe it here. Insufficient funds. Anything. Enough. Don't read this one. Just observe it. Enough. Now, this is the way senior most programmers who are developing an aware project with like this only. Once a transaction withdraw, I am writing only, they're writing. Suppose any problem is occurred. Suppose ATM machine, ATM card, you are inserting, power is gone. You are entering a what amount, your amount is lost. No, the transaction is rolled back. Why? Because cancel. That is the beauty of the way coding only. They are writing a coding like this exceptions. Any runtime errors are occurred. Maybe some Java developers exceptions, they have an idea. When, so any exception is occurred. Okay, fine. Then roll back the transaction means cancel the transaction. So these terminologies you are familiar in the future. Now this is the way they are writing in a real-time project side. You are also writing in a feature. This is called PL SQL coding. Is a procedure is there, no? Maybe some Java.NET developers also well-known persons. Is a procedure, some concept is there. Don't worry. These important concepts. That's why without any knowledge also I'm typing. Now observe here. This is called PL SQL coding. Procedural language extension for SQL. SQL means non-procedural language. PL SQL means a little bit of coding is there like this only. Because procedural language concepts, if condition, variable, something is there or not. But this is database related concept only. Retro the data, modifying the data within a database, fetching and conditions they are writing. Some coding is there. And now they are writing about this coding. Now procedure is created. Now really that is correct or not, I'm checking. Okay, how can I observe it here? Suppose my bank database table. Database means collection of here tables. Okay, nowadays. And now here check it out. Select a star from bank. Bank is a table. Now check it out. Now observe it here. Suppose in a previous case, I'm telling no what I'm telling. Whenever I'm executing about this procedure, same like a ATM card only. Suppose how can I EXEC, don't worry this one, just observe it here. Now my account number I'm passing 1001 because here procedure, these parameters are there, I'm executing 1001 here. Now I try to withdraw what amount here, 9,000 rupees. I'm typing a 9,000 rupees. Now what happened? Very good. Yes. Here 9,000 rupees I try to withdraw means, but my balance is what? How much? 3,000 rupees, account number 101 Murali, 3,000 rupees only there. But how can I withdraw this one only? That is this procedure, this coding is executed internally. Here insufficient funds is a message, it will display or not? Yes, here. Because I am writing a coding, that's why that code is executed. Observe it here, yes. Insufficient funds is executed or not? Yes. Otherwise, how it will be displayed? Impossible. That's why PL SQL coding is required. This type of application level programming set. Suppose now I try to execute like this EXEC. You're scanning, so many things are there, but just roughly. Here 1001, same my account number. Here I try to withdraw here 1,000 rupees, not a problem. Otherwise 500 rupees, not a problem. Now here observe here 500 rupees I try to withdraw here observe. Now whenever 500 rupees I withdraw means 3,000 is there. 3,000 minus 500 rupees possible, because user entered amount is less than the where available balance. Now this coding is executed. Yes, user entered amount is less than available balance. Then update the bank means database affected. Now here check it out. Yes. Now observe it here. Yes. Transaction successful is a message, it will display or not? Yes. How it is possible? Here some fellows are writing a coding. Here transaction is successful. Then that is affected in a database. Here bank database table. Yes, here now observe it here. Now check it out. I'm checking in a table. Otherwise, what do they use? Now here, that's why here this is a bank database. Now here, now check it out. Yes, automatically 2,500 is there or not? I'm withdrawing a what of 500 rupees from the 3,000 rupees. Then automatically it is affected and committed, saved only 2,500 rupees are available now because I'm withdrawing a what 500 rupees or not? Yes. In a previous case 3,000, but in this case 2,500, and also transaction successful. How it is permanently storing means commit is a command is there saved. That much of powerful. And now that's why these type of transactions, applications level, concept purpose, compulsory, we are using a what? PL SQL coding in a project side. Okay, fine. Your SQL projects also there. SQL PL SQL combination is there. PL SQL projects also there. Don't worry. Okay, it's like this different type of concepts only. Okay, fine. But one fellow is asking only why Murali sir we are using a what PL SQL where we are using already SQL language is there. That's why I'm telling. Suppose not only that one. Suppose here tomorrow is a festival, for example. Okay, fine. Now tomorrow Ugadi, for example. Okay, different areas they are call it as a different. Okay, so no festival name only. Okay, fine. But so many fellows are purchasing items through the online shopping portal, either Amazon, either okay, Flipkart. So many shopping portal is there. Suppose here today I'm interested to purchase one item. For example, I'm opening a what a www dot. So now here yes, any online shopping portal. For example, Flipkart. Okay, fine. Now observe here www.flipkart.com, for example. Now, whenever I'm opening a what this web browser for in my mobile, otherwise in my system, then this browser is connected to the server or not? Very good. That server is registered anywhere. I don't know. So now here in maybe in a different country or anywhere also. This is a web server. Maybe some fellows are having idea web servers. Here, this is a web server. What is the problem with the what a web server means? That is not storing a large amount of data. These web servers again connect to the where? Which one? Database servers. Observe it here. These web servers are connect to the where? Database servers. For example, this is a database means storing a large amount of data here. This is a Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase. This type of our course we are learning. No, these type of things only. This is called Oracle is a database server. SQL server, MySQL. These are database servers. These database servers only stores a what? Large amount of data. Database servers. Database server. Okay, fine. Now observe it here in a relational databases, this database server having a what? So many tables. Table format only data is there. For example, these type of online shopping portals, so many transactions are there. One transaction I will tell you where the really PL SQL coding is there. Means suppose this is an order master table in a real-time project side. Any tables are there, but just observe it only. Order master, order details, so many tables are there, for example. Relation is there, so many things are there. Suppose in this case, here order number, for example, order number is there. Again, order date is there. Item name is there, columns, this one. Again, price of the item. So many details are there, customer address. So many things are there in a table. Now observe it here. This is a database. This database is not visible to the where customer only. Okay, yes. Here internally this will be there. Okay, that is everyone knows the entire architecture, maybe Java, .NET, Python, PHP. These programmers are web-based application programmer. This entire architecture, they well-known persons. Now roughly observe it here, non-technical persons. Observe it here. This order number is what in a real-time project side, in a database side, this is declared as a what? Primary key. Primary key means uniquely identifying a record in a table, and also it does not accept duplicate or null values. Don't worry what is the primary key, just observe it here. Primary key like this. In a where bank account number is there, no? That my account number, your account number is not same. That's why same like that is a primary key they're defining. Here also primary key is there something. Okay, don't worry. Now check it out. Suppose this is a technical concept, web server, database server here like this. But I am a customer, for example. I try to purchase a what some occasion of here, yes, items. Otherwise, today one item I decided to purchase. Suppose I am opening a what flipkart.com. I'm booking a what one item. Okay, for example, okay, everyone knows how can I book or anything nowadays. One item I'm booking. Now this web browser connect to the where web server. This web server connect to the where database server. Here automatically this order number is generated. This order number generated. That order number only displayed in your parcel also. You are observing or not? Whenever dispatching a what item in that case. That order number based only tracking is working or not? Yes, very good. Item name, for example, item name, some order number and item name and price. Okay, fine. Suppose maybe tomorrow festival means, okay, so now so many fellows are booking a what, maybe same item also possible or not, because in a worldwide so many fellows are purchasing items through online shopping portal nowadays. And now here observe here, suppose again another customer. So now here you're opening a what same website, for example, www. So now here yes, flipkart.com, for example. Now here check it out here. Whenever okay, he is also okay. So now purchasing a what same item. For example, booking a same item. Same item is so now booking. For example, then this browser is connected to the where web server. Web server connected to the where this database server internally. Here same order number or different order number because that account okay, that customer is different. Different order number is automatically generated. Maybe same item. Okay, fine. Price may be variations based on the okay, coupon codes or anything. So many variations are depends. Now here again another customer also. So now here yes, opening a same website, and also here same item maybe is interested to purchase, booking same item. Now this web browser connect to the web server connect to the where database server. Now here same order number or different order number. Very good, different order number. Yes, same item, but maybe prices variations depends upon various things only. Okay, fine. Now that's why you are observing or not. In this case, whenever you are dispatching a what that item, your order number or order ID is there in where in your parcel. That is order number is this order number automatically generated. Automatically, how it is automatically generated means auto increment is a concept is there that is implemented by PL SQL developers in our Oracle project side. Auto increment is a concept. Generating a primary key values automatically is called auto increment concept. that is developed by which person's PL SQL developer. In this case also, so now here, yes, here PL SQL is required. That's why PL SQL developers also required in a project side. Suppose nowadays food coupons, suppose here Zomato, okay, so many Swiggy, so many things are there or not. Through that one orders, whenever delivering a word order within 5 minutes or within 10 minutes, coupon code is got. Like this, so many things are there or not. How it will be generated in a way Oracle projects to that one means always PL SQL. Coding is there. Suppose whenever security purpose some websites are there, in a OTP is generated and also captcha is generated. How means that PL Oracle project side PL SQL code is there. Through that one, they are generating only. Okay, fine. That's why everywhere also so many application side PL SQL is required. And now here, suppose here we are opening a one website. That is maybe so many fellows having idea. These are all the things. Okay, application level, big concepts. Just suppose now I'm opening a one website. Suppose for example, www.onlinesba.com. For example, I'm opening a this website, for example, anything. Whenever I'm opening a this website, I just continue to log in here, username and password. Here, username and password I'm opening only, okay, for example, then automatically. So now here, this captcha is generated or not? This captcha, how it will be generated means some coding is there. So now PL SQL coding is there, Oracle projects they are implementing means. Again, after that one, OTP is connected, okay, generated okay, into my mobile, who are connected to the where this site only in the username base only. Register mobile number is there, no OTP is generated. That OTP I'm entering next only, then only that is connected to the server. How it is possible, how it is OTP generated means there is a PL SQL coding. And now here observed here, okay, here observed here OTP. So now here, yes, here OTP is okay. So now entering next level only. I'm typing the wrong side. Okay. Now here observed here OTP is what generated next or not? Yes. In that case, how it is possible? These all the things means here in a PL SQL some coding is there. In a PL SQL, so many packages are there. In that one, random strings are generated in a captcha purpose. Your value. So now here, yes, here your value is a function is there. These functions through they are generating a OTPs and also captchas. For example, you don't have anything also. PBMS underscore random dot value. Don't read it here. Some OTP like this only. There is a coding actually. You are a experienced person means this codings nothing is there. And now here These type of coding they're writing only. Okay, fine. Here, okay, so now here, yes, here, these type of codings they are writing only. That is called here PL SQL coding only. Through that one, it will be generated. So many application level is there. Okay, fine. And now here captchas are generated. Those are all the things we are using a what here. Suppose here select they are writing. And now here, so many application level is there. Because dual, these are all the things you don't have an idea. That's why I'm not writing. These codings are there. This is a coding. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Observe it here. Yes. This floating point number OTP is generated, but they are truncating only. Now observe here. Random here. Any numbers. Okay, fine. Here random. Again, it is not generated OTP like this. This is connected with the what mobile. Suppose here, now here. Again, captures also generating like this. Random dot string. Okay, this experience, don't worry. Here, printable character I'm using. This is the way they're writing. Observe here. Captures are generated or not? Yes, here. Here captures are generated. These captures are connect with the what? So now here, yes, that sites only. So many things are there. Okay, that's why how it is possible. Some coding is there, then only possible only. That's why PL SQL coding is required. That's why. So now here, yes, here. Whenever you are learning a what Oracle course, not only SQL means non-procedure language, single or two lines of coding is there, but also some PL SQL also better to know. PL SQL procedure language extension for this SQL language only, that is PL SQL. Okay. But whenever you are learning about these type of courses, really that is helpful or not, first check it out. What type of persons are learning about these courses and what type of jobs are available, just I am telling only, then that knowledge is very helpful for you. Now you are a first time newcomer, observe it here. According to my experience, I am telling only, suppose you are learning a Oracle course. Which type of persons are interested to learn Oracle course, this course? Otherwise, what type of jobs are available means concentrate here. Suppose most of the first time newcomers are observed here. Suppose who are passed out in aware 2022 or 23. Those are called freshers. 2023 or 2022. For example, so many fellows are in a BTech or MCA, MSc computers, anything. So now here passed outs are there. Those persons, most of the persons are interested in a way learning about in a course. Okay, so now okay, just before applying about jobs only. So now here Python, they are interested to learn. Again, some fellows are Java, they are interested to learn. Some fellows are .NET, they are interested. Okay, they're okay, sir. Front-end languages, they are interested generally. Okay, these type of courses for developing a what web-based application also websites. I'm telling you, so in a previous case only example. These type of application development side, web-based applications only. Okay, fine. Web-based applications. For example, okay, so now not only pure web-based, just web-based applications also we are developing through these courses. But these courses who are learning means those persons are attending interview. One problem is there. These type of persons are compulsory. Minimum knowledge is required in a very database. Otherwise, those persons are not selecting an interview. That is a problem. Suppose these persons are attending interview, right? Okay, so now interviewer asking, write a query to display ith salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table, write a query to display second ith salary employee. These queries they are asking, what is the procedure, what is in parameter, what is out parameter, they are asking. They are unable to tell me is rejected. There is no choice. Why? Because these type of persons, minimum knowledge is required in a very database. In a previous case, you are observing or not, I am creating a what procedure, something I am creating, no? Yes, here this knowledge in parameter passing a what account number from Java into where database into where balance it will be written into where okay so front end application. So much of knowledge is required these type of things. That's why here these web-based application program are based on entire art teacher only. Minimum knowledge is required. That's why these persons also learning a what Oracle course. So now here actually Python, Java developers are learning Oracle, .NET developers are learning a what SQL server like that. In this Oracle, they are learning a what a minimum basic SQL, basic enough SQL, comma yes, minimum knowledge in a PL SQL enough, not a more knowledge because procedures, some recursors, some concepts are required only. That's why these persons are learning SQL and PL SQL enough. Dynamic SQL not required really. Now that's why these persons, most of the persons are at least basic level, they are interested to learn in a Oracle. A basic, minimum basic. Suppose JDBC projects, they are working in a Java developers. How? In a real-time project side, little bit of knowledge is there in a way in outside, then project side, okay, maybe in a Google through, they're learning a more things, then easily they're handling. Otherwise, they are unable to handle. But more knowledge is there, that is a more advantage. But first, I'm telling you, minimum knowledge is required. That's why those persons are learning about this Oracle course. Again, not only these type of web-based application programmer. Actually, so many fellows are struggling. In a 2021 only passed out some fellows. Suppose 2020 only some fellows are passed out. Maybe they are struggling, they are still not getting a job. Maybe any reasons. Okay, maybe that personal problems or their corona. Okay, anything. Okay, fine. Maybe anything also happened. Those persons are struggling means maybe they are not interested in a coding also, these type of Java, Python, these type of coding, they are afraid, for example. In that case, best way means that those persons doesn't have any knowledge also. Just a 2+3+ years gap is there. For example, gap is there. In that case, they are learning about PL SQL course. Why? Because PL SQL developer is a jobs are available. In a net, anybody observing or not, PL SQL developer jobs you are type, it means there are so many jobs opportunities are there. Those persons are front-end language is not required. So now here, yes, these persons doesn't know any front-end language also not a problem. Why? Because in a back-end side, okay, they're dealing only, okay, son of here, yes, server side. PL SQL, but little bit of SQL knowledge is there, strong PL SQL knowledge is there, then Unix little bit of knowledge is there, then jobs are available. Those persons also learning about this son of Oracle course. Okay, fine. And now in our actually in our course also we are designing. And now here, yes, here designing in a way in a PL SQL developer purpose. In a 2010 onwards, I'm in teaching field only. In that case onwards, PL SQL developer purpose, I came to where Hyderabad, and our case of here I'm telling about so much of concepts in a PL SQL. So many fellows are putting about a resume in that one, they're selected. Because more knowledge I'm giving in a PL SQL. Basically, I'm a PL SQL developer, okay, like that. And now here, that's a more knowledge I'm giving, okay, but that's a more lengthy subject is there. Now here again, another type of persons are interested to learn what Oracle course means. Suppose anybody having idea data warehousing technology, what is OLAP, what is OLTP? I will tell you one of these days, don't worry. In those type of data warehousing technology side, ETL programmers are there. Suppose here some fellows are 1 year gap is there, 2 years is there. Those persons are not interested anywhere in so much of coding Java, .NET. Okay, this PL SQL. Yes, they want very easily getting a job means just best way. So much of high salary is also there. ETL developers in a data warehousing technology side, extraction, transformation, loading developers are there. ETL developers. That is a GUI, okay, fine. Developer is there, that jobs are there. Those persons also learning about Sun Oracle course. Why? Because these persons are not required to learn more things. Oracle is there, no, in that Oracle only basic SQL is enough. SQL language is enough. PL SQL little basic is enough. Oracle SQL plus PL SQL not required. Okay, if vastly stored procedure, they have an idea. Oracle SQL language they are learning plus ETL tool they are learning. Now here, yes, ETL tools are there in a market. Same like a GUI, graphical user interface is there, no? Mappings and transformation, dimension tables, fact tables, something they are using only. ETL tools they are learning, GUI tools, ETL courses they are telling only. Okay, fine. Those persons are ETL developers, they're settled only. And now here, that is also so many fellows are using, okay, so learning about those courses. Suppose now in a olden days onwards, most popular tool, Informatica, maybe your colleagues, your relatives are working in a where Informatica is a tool. This is a popular tool in a what? GUI tool in a where, okay, so olden days. But nowadays also so many projects are available. Informatica is a tool in a worldwide popular tool in a where ETL. Nowadays, another tool also there in a ETL tools, last 4 or 5 years onwards, so many fellows are learning only. Talent is a tool. That is also more opportunities are there nowadays. Here in a olden days, data stage is a tool is there. There is a less compared to where this thing. Data stage like this only based on the their requirement. They are learning about in a demanded tools. These are GUI tools. More coding is not there. Navigations through that one also they are okay, so getting a job. But some fellows are asking about Murali sir, what is Power BI? I will tell you. Don't worry. Power BI is a reporting tool that is related to where SQL server, not Oracle. But there is also so many jobs are available. And now here, check it out. Observe it here. Now, not only reporting tools, some fellows are okay learning about courses. Sorry, not only ETL tools. Some fellows are interested to settle little bit of SQL knowledge through reporting tool. Yes, business analyst. Those persons are called business analysts, BA developers, business analysts. And now here, those persons are interested to learn about. So now reporting tools. Those persons also Oracle basic enough, not required a more things only. Oracle plus here reporting tools they are learning only. Reporting easily. That is also GUI tools, reporting tools they are learning. And now here in that case, which reporting tools means always here popular tools, BOS, OBI. And now here nowadays, some fellows are SQL server side. Power BI, they're learning only in a reporting tool. But there's Power BI related to where SQL server is a backend is better option. Okay, that's why I'm not telling Power BI in this case. Reporting tools means nowadays, okay, tab view. Again, quick view. These type of tools are there. Those tools they're learning only. They're getting a what a job very easy. And now here, yes, very easiest way. These are very easy tools. In opportunities are there, they are learning. Otherwise, SQL server programmer, Power BI is a popular tool only. SQL server is a backend is better option. Those persons also need okay, so this reporting tool easily they are getting award jobs. Now again, because they are not knowing a much coding also these tools through they are getting a job. Little bit of SQL knowledge enough in these all the cases. Again, another type of persons, for example, testing tools programmers are there. Testing tools programmers are there in a worldwide. These persons are learning about son of automation testing, manual testing, automation, Selenium. Otherwise, golden days QTP is there, manual testing. Son of here, they have an idea. In those cases, minimum knowledge is required in a database. Those persons also SQL knowledge is enough. Oracle course they are learning at least a little bit of knowledge only. What is joins, what is queries, so they have an idea. Means enough. Again, not only that one, some fellows are interested to settle in a where ERP side. Okay, so no, ERP side only. In that ERP person, so SAP is a popular ERP, same like yes, so many fellows are learning about Oracle apps is a ERP, is there are Oracle applications. In that ERP persons also learning a Oracle course. Why? Because these persons are very strong knowledge is required in a where PL SQL. SQL knowledge plus strong PL SQL knowledge is required, not a basic. Why? Because these persons are PL SQL strong knowledge is there, then only they're handling about projects because the D2K they have an idea. and okay, some two, okay, some modules, functional modules, they have an idea, AP or GL, so many HRMS, so many modules, they have an idea, and strong PL SQL knowledge is required. Those persons also interested to learn what? Yes, Oracle course. And now here, not only that one, some fellows are interested to work in a where, so now here, yes, here, big data, that is a Hadoop. In that case also, now here, yes, here, some basic knowledge is required in a where database. Those persons also interested to learn Oracle. Again, another type of persons, different type of jobs only, okay. Some fellows are interested in a where another ERP now popular, Oracle Cloud ERP is there. So now Oracle Fusion, Oracle Cloud, like this only ERP side. Nowadays jobs are available. Is the latest trend, this one. In that case also, basic Oracle knowledge is enough. Who are learning about that course, those persons also telling about basic, okay, Oracle. Yes, okay, it's easily understandable. Separate course is not required. Again, now what type of persons are learning what this course means? Again, actually, Pega, so now these type of CRM applications, CBL is there in the olden days, no? Those application programmers also. So now learning what? This course only. Not only that one, SAP HANA is there. Now here. In this course also, so now here, yes, warehousing site related concept ERP. Those persons are minimum basic knowledge, SQL views are there. Those concepts also they are learning. That's why basic SQL knowledge is required. Those persons also learning what? This course. Not only that one, nowadays trending courses like Java full stack developers and now Python full stack developers and okay, .NET full stack developers, like that only. Those persons are became database knowledge is required. Those persons also learning what course work. Again, not only that one, here data science programmers, artificial intelligence programmers also learning what. Now here, okay, so now here always they are learning about this course. Again, not only these development side, always they are learning about some fellows are interested to learn because working in a way database administrators, DBA. Suppose Oracle, DBA jobs are there. Okay, those persons also. So now here, yes, here Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA. So now, yeah, okay, so now here DB2 DBA, MySQL DBA. These courses are there, administrator, not a development side. Those persons also minimum knowledge is required in a where database. Those persons also learning a what? Yes, okay, Oracle course only. That's why different type of persons based on the type of requirement, they're learning a what? This course only. But unfortunately, you are not working in a way database also. This knowledge is very helpful. A minimum knowledge is very helpful. Why I'm telling this one means, or maybe in a future, anybody learning in a courses, they are settled in a way software technology side. Then anywhere also minimum basic knowledge is required. That's why first only they are learning what this course means without afraiding only. Just basic, they have an idea also. Yes, here easily they are learning their own way, self-learning through the net or anything also in a project side. Okay, so easily handling the projects. But unfortunately, here we are learning a course, no, that's a very depth I'm telling only. Okay, yeah, so now yeah. Okay, na? Yes, understood. Just idea purpose. Okay, fine. Okay, na? Yes. Thank you so much for attending this small demo class today. Tomorrow there is no class. Tomorrow is okay, so festival. Day after tomorrow you continue. Okay, then we are starting our regular sessions after one day after. Okay, yeah. Is a MySQL. Yesterday I'm telling you, MySQL is a product. That is a open source product. Yesterday I'm telling you, MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix. These are relational data model products from different companies. In that, okay, so MySQL also SQL language is there. I'm telling yesterday, no? Yes. Anybody not adding yesterday means just that demo class videos you have to observe it enough. Yes, always okay, they are sending a what videos also through this through that videos also you have to learn, because so many fellows are just observing the videos, they are getting a good knowledge. Okay, tomorrow there is no class. Day after tomorrow continue. Thank you. 1 or 2 classes observe it, then we are starting a what our course only. Okay, yeah, just these all the things observe it. Okay, just terminology purpose, newcomer purpose, or something is there. Yes, Vamsi, you are learning about Oracle, not a problem. Okay. MySQL, Gopal Reddy, you are learning, you are interested to learn what MySQL means. MySQL means another course. Okay, yeah. This is a Oracle. Okay, Oracle course. You want PHP with MySQL, otherwise Java with MySQL backend means another course is there. You have to join anywhere. Okay, yeah. This is Oracle course within Oracle SQL language. Okay, thank you. Day after tomorrow continue. Thank you. Another class is there. Okay, yeah. Notes also I'm giving, and PDF also they will send, and videos also they will send. Okay, management will send. Go to ask management, they are telling all the things. Okay, tomorrow is a holiday because of festival. Day after tomorrow continue. Thank you. Any programming language is not required. Okay, because this is very easy. Gopal Reddy, we are not teaching in a MySQL. Okay, here only Oracle. Okay, yeah. MySQL means maybe another faculties are there. You have to check it out. You have to inquire in a way management. Okay, yeah. This is Oracle course. Okay, thank you. Day after tomorrow continue. Thank you. Tomorrow there is no class. Okay, yeah.